Ice cream cone.
Here you go. Just like Max on Max and Ruby. Oh, wow.
Look at.
Oh, did you get some? You can do it. Oh, you got some.
Mmm.
Oh, yummy. Is that yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like ice cream, honey?
Huh?
Yeah.
This is your very first ice cream cone. Yeah.
Ice cream cone. Yeah. You got it. You're such a big girl.
I'm gonna be pool.
Hmm?
Swimming pool.
Swimming in the pool? Well, maybe later.
No. Cup.
That's an ice cream cone.
Cup.
That's the cone.
Cup.
Well, kind of. Yeah.
Off.
Pick it up like this, honey, so it doesn't drip. You gotta lick it.
Ooh.
Go.
Did.
You did it.
Yes.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, don't drop it on the floor. Oh, ice cream for Charlotte?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're so special.
Drop it.
Don't drop it. Yeah. You'll do fine. Yeah. You're a big girl. Yeah.
I'm wrapping it. Ice cone.
A big girl ice cream cone? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Okay, okay. Next year, cone.
Ice cream cone, yeah. Mm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You're doing so good.